Welcome to the NotebookLM Mobile Setup Guide. This app helps you master your study workflow by processing your data so you can achieve better results. First, download the application. Search for Google NotebookLM on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You can also use notebooklm.google.com as a browser fallback and enable Request Desktop Site to view the studio panel. The cloud syncs your workspace with real-time cross-platform syncing. Upload sources on your desktop, and the mobile app instantly displays them in your library. You can share files directly. Tap the mobile share icon while viewing a website or file. Select NotebookLM to add the source to your project. The app supports various formats, including PDFs, docs, slides, and more. Sharpen the AI's focus by uploading multiple documents. Temporarily unselect irrelevant sources, leaving specific documents active. The app will then focus its processing power on the active documents. Command the notebook by setting a custom instruction for your entire project, like always summarize in bullet points. The AI applies this rule to all future outputs, shaping the format and tone of your study materials. Ask questions via voice by tapping the microphone icon in the chat bar. The app uses Gemini 2.5 Flash and can deliver 50% better response quality for complex questions about your study materials. The app cites its sources. When the AI generates a response, it includes clickable citation badges. Tap the badge, and the screen jumps to the exact quote in the original source. Generate media overviews easily. Open the studio panel and tap Generate. The app builds audio podcasts or visual video explainers, which can be watched on tablets for optimal diagram viewing. You can listen to generated audio hosts and lock your phone or switch apps for background play. Tap Join in interactive mode to vocally interrupt the hosts and ask questions about the material. Create study assets by tapping the pencil icon in the studio panel. The app generates custom flashcard decks and quizzes. You can also convert data into visual infographics and export notes to Google Docs or Sheets. Choose the right tool based on your constraints. Utilize audio for passive, low-time review, or quizzes and chat for active, deep comprehension. The options include cinematic video, interactive chat and quizzes, the brief audio, and flashcards. The system protects your data by siloing your personal information. Google never uses your data to train public models. Note that the app limits some advanced audio languages by region, and desktop mode or a tablet may be needed for complex note management. Run the study loop by feeding the system high-quality sources, directing the AI processing, consuming the generated media, testing your comprehension, and exporting the final knowledge. To start your project, download the app and upload your syllabus. Transform your study workflow today.